Hi there, it's Spenta. Welcome to my channel and thank you for being here with me today. I'm sitting by my 12 o'clock herb gardens and I'd like to share a video with you on how to grow your own fresh green onions at home from store-bought onions. That's right. You ever wonder about throwing away your onions? Well, don't. If they go green, you can just cut the top off, plant it in some fresh soil, and it is going to grow for you. It's going to grow some green onions in about 6 to 8 weeks. Some chives will grow and come up. And if you wait about 2 to 4 weeks after that, you'll have some fresh onions to harvest. Now, you do not need to let your onion go green. You can just go ahead and get some onions from the store and just cut the top off and plant it deep in some soil and it will grow just fine. Here are some onions that I harvested today. I plan on making some homemade stew. And here are some fresh onions that I will be using in my stew. I'll also be using the greens, the chives. Happy planting, everyone. Have a beautiful day.